Uthuthuria ni wambikitwo wa niki kiratuma arwaru a murimu wa Covid-19 gitaru-ini kia Afrika gukorwo matekuonania dariri o ciothe cia murimu uyu ona thengia ya gukorwo mari arwaru. Bururi wa Kenya ni umwe wa uria andu aria mari na murimu uyu wa Covid-19 matirakorwo makionania dariri o ciothe na gicunji kia 93 hari igana.
Is that Africa and Kenya is filled with a younger population. We are young as a continent. If you look at our population pyramid, it is absolutely different from that in the Western world. And because we are young, it means then there's that protective effect of being young, having a younger population, and therefore not seeing the high mortalities that we were able to see earlier in the disease. That has been posed as one of the explanations. Scientists are trying to find out what else could explain this.
Our cases is 93% of our cases, or the 36,000 plus, have been asymptomatic, and only 7% exhibit any symptoms. And as Dr. Mwangambi stated, we postulate that this is because of our young population. Remember, like in Kenya, more than 65% of our population is less than 35 years old. The younger you are, the less likely that you are going to have a comorbidity like hypertension and diabetes.
Umuthi andu 92 ni omonekanite na homa ya coronavirus thutha wa ithimi 2945 guthimwo kuria na andu angi 163 mahonete murimu uyu guku andu 3 magikua.
Are all Kenyans except 4 foreigners, and in terms of gender we have 64 male and 28 female. The youngest is a 2-year-old child, while the oldest is 75.
Ministry yogima wa mwiri yugite ni rathie na mbere na gutigirira a Kenya ni mamukira urigitani uria wagirire na uri na marihi mabashirire rungu rwa mubango wa Universal Healthcare kuria manyitanire na sekta itiganite hari gutigirira kinyothe ni maramukira urigitani.
We also have various other insurance schemes that have been subsidized by government. We have the elderly and people with severe disabilities scheme, a scheme that is seeing the coverage of close to 200,000 households in the country, consisting primarily of the elderly and people with severe disability.
Gitaru-ini kia Afrika, bururi wa South Africa niguo gomeirwo ni murimu uyu na kwa ihinda riri uri na arwaru 651 521. Bururi wa Egypt uri na arwaru 101 bururi wa Morocco uri na arwaru 90,328. Bururi wa Ethiopia uri na arwaru 65,446. Bururi wa Kenya uri na bainyanya na arwaru 36,393. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritora kwa ni Wanjiru wa Foro.